Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change paper space background. So if you want to change the paper space backgrounds, you can type OP to open the option dialog box and go to display tab, click on the color button. The next you can click on the sheet and layout. After it, use the paper background here. Now you can change the color. Like I will set to the magenta and you can click apply, close, and then click OK. Now if you go to the layout, it will be change the paper background. Okay, you can tap OP again, press enter, go to color buttons, and I will set like paper backgrounds to the black color. Click apply to set. Or if you want to change the layout, you can go to color and then use the uniform backgrounds in sheet and layout, like default white. You can change like to the gray. Click OK and then apply, close to set the color. If you want to reset all options, you can click color and we can use the restore all context. Click restore, click apply, it will be set to the default. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change paper space background.